Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the affiliate program for a product so other people promote it with their own link, and you only pay a commission when they actually make a sale. It's free marketing that pays for itself. Let's set it up. Start by signing in to your Resogra vendor account. You'll land on your vendor dashboard. In the left menu, click Products to see everything you sell. Open the product you'd like affiliates to promote for you. Scroll down to Program Settings and tick Make this product available to affiliates. Now approved affiliates can find it and promote it. Set the commission anywhere between 5 and 50%. This is the share the affiliate earns on each qualifying sale. A higher commission gets more people promoting you. Finally, click Save. Your product is now live in the affiliate program, and affiliates can start promoting it with their own share links. You only ever pay when they make a sale. And that's it, your product is now in the affiliate program. Approved affiliates can grab a share link and promote it everywhere, and you only pay the commission you set, only when they make a sale. More reach, no upfront cost. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Resogra family.